Welcome to the Four-Wheel channel, where innovation meets excellence. We are very happy to present the Honda Integra 205. Known as an innovator in the automotive world, Honda is again presenting the best with the launch of the new generation Honda Integra sedan in 2025. The latest version of the Honda Integra symbolizes sophistication, efficiency, and unmatched performance. This sedan aims to define new standards in the dynamic luxury sedan category, elevating your driving experience to a higher level. The spacious and luxurious interior invites passengers to experience true comfort. With ergonomic seating and carefully selected materials, every ride is relaxing and enjoyable. The advanced infotainment system provides non-stop entertainment. With a high-definition touchscreen display, seamless smartphone integration, and advanced connectivity options to meet drivers' modern needs. The new generation 2025 Honda Integra sedan is not just a vehicle, but a work of art that reflects Honda's dedication to innovation, performance, and safety. By combining these elements in an elegant and functional package, the 2025 Integra is undoubtedly the top choice for those who want a dynamic and luxurious sedan.